Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. As you can see, our special weekend menu for today is corn masala, and I'm just showing you how to prep corn before boiling it or before steaming it. So you don't have to do anything rocket science. You just have to make a slit on top of corn so that it will be easy for you to separate the whole outer layer of the corn. And voila, see, it just very easy, very simple. When you are in a place like Chennai, which is extreme hot, like a tropical place, you need to have something very light and yet filling for your weekend snacks, right? So I have chosen maize or corn for the snacks today, and you can see I am doing the second one in just no matter of time. It is very easy. You just have to make a little slit and work on it. And you guys also can try the same trick I have given you to open the corn, and let me know in the comment section whether it works for you or not. And the best way to boil it or steam it, because we will be having very small pressure cooker or idli vessel where we can steam it, right? So that you just have to break it into two pieces using all your power, all your pressure, and then steam it. That way it will be very easy to fix all the corn in the pressure cooker. You just have to add. And the next trick to boil corn is to add only half. It should not be fully immersed. It should be half. The level of water should be half, and then add a little bit of salt when you're boiling it, so that when you're boiling it, the corn will soak all the salt in it, so that you don't have to add extra salt. And adding extra salt at the last would be little not so tasty. So you can just for the taste, you can just add a little bit of salt and then pressure cook it for 5 to 7 whistles. I did mine for 5 whistles. And as you can see, in no matter of time, our corn is ready. See how yummy it looks. I know maybe because of the steam you guys are not able to see it, but when I saw it, it was really yum. It was really good. I could just eat it literally without even adding a masala. And I thought, like, okay fine, it is a weekend, and like if we are doing something special for the whole family, why to eat it directly? So I started segregating all the corn, as you can see how I'm doing it, so that it will be easy for you to eat it with spoon, relax somewhere on a sofa, watch a TV and do it, instead of having that messy whole corn. So see, this is my 2 corn. I have segregated everything. And the next thing you have to do is, like, because I have boiled it in the morning and then I have segregated all the corn from its hub. So, and after doing that, it won't be as hot or as warm as you want it. So I'm just boiling, it is like a blanching kind of thing. I'm just putting it in a hot water for 2 minutes and then straining it. That way it will be not so hot, it won't be fully boiled, but it will be hot for you to eat it, the way they give in Sarna store, right? That suri corn. So yeah, and then this is my special masala. I have made it at home. Nothing, just salt, red chili powder, then little bit of black salt and little bit of chaat masala to give that extra tangy flavor. And my husband, you know how crazy he is about butter, so he wanted to have a little butter, like a hint of butter, that smell, that flavor of butter, he likes it. So he just wanted to add a little bit of butter in it. So see, he's cutting it just a dash, so that you can have the flavor and the smell of butter, and then it will be little shiny, and when you're eating with all the masala, it will be damn good. So mix it, and voila, your corn is ready. You don't have to go outside in the hot sun, or you don't have to go and buy unhealthy, because whenever we buy from outside, most of the time, I'm telling you, like 95% of the time, it won't be a fresh corn. It will be a frozen corn, or the corn which was harvested long back ago. So if you have fresh corn at home, that is better. If not, order it from online, because you have seen my corn, how fresh it was. So that's it for today.